Hello, welcome to my channel. This is a general reading for Scorpio, Sun, Moon, and Rising for the month of July. If it resonates with you, please keep watching. If it doesn't, you can book yourself a personal reading. The information is in the description box below. At the outset, I'm extremely apologetic, guys. I'm uploading this super late. My Google account was hacked, and it took me the longest time to recover it. Otherwise, your readings would have been up at least like 4 days prior to the month, so that you have your predictions in hand before. Remember that my readings are general, they are for rising sun and moon. So if you want to pick like more resonating messages, then try to find out your rising, try to find out your moon, and then watch all 3 videos, and then you'll be able to resonate more with what I'm trying to say. Let me see what's up with my beautiful Scorpio, sun, moon, and rising for the month of July. Please tell me what's up with my Scorpio, sun, moon, and rising for the month of July. Please tell me what's up with my Scorpio, sun, moon, and rising for the month of July. Please tell me what's up with my Scorpio, sun, moon, and rising for the month of July. What's happening, Scorpios? Please tell me what's up with my Scorpio, sun, moon, rise. I do see Scorpios. Some of you have been extremely, driven and dedicated in the past couple of months. Some of you, I see that you have been working on something. There is some business, there's some passion project, there is some idea that you've been working on. At the same time, Scorpios, I do see that probably for some of you, you could have been like working on 2 different projects. I do see that one of them is now finally ending. Either you accomplish what you were supposed to accomplish out of it, or maybe you're just feeling that the previous thing that you were working on is draining too much out of you and not giving you good returns. So maybe you're just like wanting to end it, and you are wanting to expand your business, you're wanting to remove the energy out of that space, and wanting to invest more energy, resources, money, etc. in the new thing that you all are working on. But I do see that some sort of cycle is ending, Scorpio. Something definitely is ending in your life right now. I want to know what is it though. I want to know what cycle is ending. Please tell me why. Why is the world coming here? Please tell me why the world got me. Please tell me why the world got me. Please tell me. Okay, I gotcha. Scorpio, some of you could be dealing with an air sign. This could be like a Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Some of you could also be walking off from a human being. Some of you could also be walking off from a relationship because this person had literally left you confused. This person had literally never gave you like the that sort of sense of security that they are yours. This person kept you very anxious, and your mind was really disturbed, all the while. So for some of you, you are exiting this cycle. For some of you, you're really leaving this person behind, and some of you are not leaving this person behind. You're staying with this person, but you are deciding and you are working on your inner self so that nobody, no situation, and no human being can get you anxious. So for some of you, this could definitely be the case. You're just working on your inner self and becoming a human being, like a very emotionally, sorted and emotionally healthy human being who nobody can mess with on such deep levels. I want to see why Ten of Swords here. I want to see why Ten of Swords here. Please clarify Ten of Swords for me. Please clarify Ten of Swords for me. Give me one more card and please clarify Ten of Swords for me. What? I do see Scorpio. For some of you, the either the project that you were working on or the relationship that you were really working on, I do see that you were involved in this with 100% intensity, with so much fire, with so much passion, with so much I mean, you all are these people Scorpions, like you give it all. You just like go all in. Like all in is an understatement for the kind of intensity that you all put in the things that you do, and that's exactly what you've done. I mean, be it this business that you're exiting from or this relationship that you're tired of, somewhere or other, you guys had literally like dived head on and gave it all that you have, and so that has literally left you extremely drained now. So I do see that for some of you that cycle is ending, like you are realizing that sometimes it's okay to be 40% passionate about something and focus on other things. So I do see that some of you are hitting that point of realization, which is beautiful. If this reading is resonating with you, Scorpios, please hit on the subscribe button. And meanwhile, I'll dive deep into the emotions of your person. I'll dive deep into the emotion of the person that my Scorpios are dealing with. If this reading is resonating with you, hit the subscribe button. Hit it. And I'll dive deep into the emotions of the person that you are dealing with. Please dive deep into the emotions of the person my Scorpios are dealing with. And with some that the person my Scorpios are dealing with. Cards of account. So if you could be dealing with a Leo, some of you could be dealing with a Capricorn. Please tell me what's up with the person my Scorpios are dealing with. Please tell me what's happening with the person. Please dive deep into the emotion of the person my Scorpios are dealing with. Please dive deep. Dive deep. So if you could be dealing with a fire sign, this could be an Aries or Sagittarius or a Leo. I do see Scorpios that the person that you are dealing with. This person is somebody inherently somebody extremely dominating, extremely has like all the leadership qualities in the world. Is somebody who's really passionate about what they do also. The person that I'm dealing with, Scorpios, is at this point in time in a retreat mode. Is at this point in time, maybe because you had put so much freaking passion in this person, that now when you have literally shown your back and now that you're not because you're drained, maybe this person was somebody who was withdrawing a lot from you. I do see that. I do feel that this person was somebody who was so dominating that they were taking it all away from you. So now that it's not available, maybe because you just realize that you cannot do that anymore, it's left this person extremely tiresome. It's left this person extremely drained, and this person has no idea now as to how to get back to life without you, because you were literally their support system. At the same time, I do see that this person has lost balance. This person has literally lost this person is actually right now grieving, and this person is actually feeling again feeling the void that you had filled with your presence, with your effort, with your love, with everything that you were offering to them. And at the same time, I do see that this person has this massive urge to not take care of themselves because they do see that you're unavailable. So what I see out of this, Scorpions, is that your person is at this point of time was definitely somebody who was withdrawing a lot from you, who was taking a lot away from you, who was actually dominating, and now that you have really taken like a step back, some of you could be dealing with like a narcissist or narcissistic personality who really withdraws a lot from away from people, and now that it's not there, this person has gone in a retreat mode. This person doesn't know what to do, where to go, what do I do. Okay, if this reading is resonating with you, please hit the subscribe button. Meanwhile, I try to find out the outcome for you and your person for the month of July. If this reading is resonating with you, please hit on the subscribe subscribe button. Okay, tell me what's the outcome. Please give me the outcome for Scorpios and their person for the month of July. KK. Please give me the outcome. Please give me the outcome for Scorpios and their person for the month of July. Please give me the outcome for Scorpios and their person for the month of July. Please give me the outcome. Give me the outcome. give me the outcome for, please give me the outcome for Scorpio. Give me one more card. I do see, Scorpios, that for the month of July, I definitely see that this person is going to let you know that please do not leave. You know, please do not withdraw from this relationship. You mean a lot to me. You mean a lot to me. I want to work this out. I want to give this a try. This is the most ideal relationship that I was ever in, and you know, I really want to be with you. I adore you. I love you. I do see all of that coming in. Scorpios, the ball is definitely in your court. I do see that for the month of July, a lot of you are going to be in touch with your intuition. A lot of you are really going to get to the root of the matter and try to find out that why do you let yourself get exhausted in people and things and places. And this is your time, Scorpios. This is the time when you will be turning inwards, when you will be diving deeper, and you will be figuring out your own self. You will be figuring out your patterns. You will be figuring out that why do you end up investing so much in people that they just take it all away from you. I do see, Scorpios, that this person is definitely going to reach out to you. This person is definitely going to let you know that they are not okay without you and they cannot do without you, that they really desperately want to be with you. They want to work it out. They're ready to change themselves. They're ready to really start a new cycle with you. They're ready to give it, like they want to do what it takes to be with you because you really meant that much to them, because clearly, like, you gave so much to them. You know, and they never really had to do anything to maintain this equation. So of course, that's what my cards are telling me. And at the same time, Scorpios, the ball is certainly in your court. I do see that at this point of time, you're going to be focusing more on your mental health because you see it going for an absolute toss out of the window. So that's what you're going to be doing for the month of July. If this reading resonated with you, please hit on the subscribe button. Please let me know in the comment section how it resonated with you, and please let me know in the comment section if it didn't resonate with you so that I can do better the next time. And I will see you guys next one. Bye.